Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Peely from LEGO Fortnite. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a rectangle shape. Now from the bottom corners, let's curve it down and in for the shape of the body. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside on the top right. And then a curve on the bottom left. Now let's color the middle section of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a line across in the center, and then a curve underneath. Then inside, let's draw a curve for the tongue, and then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's add some details to the body. From the top, let's draw a line down in the center, and then 2 curves up from the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the top, and on the right, let's draw a curve down, and then bring it out at the bottom. Now on the top right here, let's draw a line out, curve it down, in and up. And then inside, let's draw a line across, and then curve it down. Now let's move over to the top left of the body and let's draw 2 curves going up. And then close it off at the top. And lastly, 1 more curve inside on the left. Now let's move back down to the bottom and let's finish drawing the rest of the body. On the bottom left of the body, let's draw an angled line down and out. And the same on the right. And now let's connect them with a line across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's step in and let's draw another line down, and the same on the right, and then a straight line across. Next, on the sides of the body, let's draw the arms. Let's start with an angled line down and out on both sides, and then angle it down. Now let's hop in and let's draw another angle down, and then a curve across the bottom. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw 2 small angles underneath each of the arms, then curves down and in on both sides. Now let's hop into the middle and let's draw a U-shaped curve up inside, and then 2 angled lines to close off the hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body in the middle, let's draw a skinny rectangle shape down. Then a line down underneath each of the corners. Now top to the sides and let's draw another line down. And then close off the bottom of each leg. Next inside, let's draw another line across in the middle. And then let's add a diamond shape inside each of the bottom sections. Now let's add the pattern inside the diamonds. We'll start with a square-shaped swirl, an angled line from the top, and a small one from the bottom. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's draw another rectangle shape underneath each of the legs. And then let's add a line across at the top. And another one at the bottom. Now inside this middle section, let's draw a line across. And then angle it down and out from both ends. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And that's it for LEGO Peely. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!